Hello everyone, welcome back. Imagine typing just one idea, and AI transforms it into a complete Hollywood-style film. Story, characters, cinematic visuals, AI video generation, and final editing, all inside a single platform. It sounds futuristic, but that's exactly what we're going to do today. In today's video, we're exploring Flick AI. Let's start by visiting Flick's official website. Right away, you'll notice this isn't just another AI image or video generator. Flick is a complete AI filmmaking platform that lets you manage your entire production workflow, from ideation to the final render, all in one place. As we scroll down, Flick showcases every stage of its filmmaking pipeline. You'll find cinematic visual styles, AI agents, storyboard creation, collaboration tools, studio-grade scene editing, AI video generation, and even Flick TV, packed with powerful features designed for creators. The platform includes hundreds of curated cinematic styles, making it easy to define the mood and visual language of your project. Now that we've explored the website, it's time to create our own cinematic AI film. Let's click Get Started, sign in to our account, and jump into the dashboard. Once we're logged in, we're taken to Flick's main dashboard. This is the central workspace where you'll manage your complete AI filmmaking workflow. On the left, you'll find the Home section, where your current and recent projects are stored. Below that is Flick TV, where you can browse AI films created by the community. The Visual Styles section lets you explore curated cinematic looks, while Film Scenes provides professionally organized reference scenes that can help with storytelling and shot planning. In the center of the dashboard, you'll see the AI Chat workspace. This is where you can begin your filmmaking workflow, whether you're starting with a simple idea, uploading reference images, or building your project from scratch. Below that, you'll find several quick actions, including uploading images, adding references, creating characters, and starting with a new visual style. These shortcuts help speed up your workflow. If you're looking for inspiration, the Made with Flick section showcases real AI films created by the community. These examples are a great way to study cinematic quality, storytelling, and visual direction. Think of it as a practical inspiration library rather than just a showcase. Each project also includes a preview, allowing you to see the level of cinematic quality that can be achieved inside Flick. Now let's create a brand new project. I'll click the New Project button in the top right corner, which takes us into Flick's primary workspace, the Infinite Canvas. At the top, you'll notice two main workspaces, Canvas and Video Editor. Canvas is used for planning your production, where you organize your story, characters, scenes, and assets using a node-based workflow. The Video Editor is where everything comes together. It's used to arrange your generated shots on a timeline, edit the final film, and export your completed project. On the left, you'll find all of your creation tools. The center contains the Infinite Canvas itself, while the AI assistant on the right helps with everything from story planning to scene generation. Below, you'll see several quick start workflows. If you already have a script, you can choose Turn a Script into a Short Film. If you only need to design a character, Build a Character is available. And if you're searching for creative ideas or references, you can use Get Inspiration. For this tutorial, we're creating a complete Hollywood-style cinematic film from scratch, so we'll choose Create a Stunning Story. As soon as we click it, Flick automatically suggests a sample story prompt. This example is simply there to help you understand the ideal prompt structure. You can absolutely use the sample if you'd like, but we're creating our own Hollywood-style story, so we'll replace it with a custom prompt. I'll delete the default prompt and enter my own detailed cinematic prompt. The more descriptive your prompt is, the more consistent your story, characters, and scenes will be. Once the prompt is submitted, Flick analyzes the story and recommends multiple professionally curated cinematic styles. This is an incredibly useful feature because you don't have to manually define the visual look for every image. Instead, you simply choose the visual language that best fits your story. You'll find styles like hyper-realistic portrait, cinematic golden hour, surreal images, digital photography, film shots, cinematic digital painting, and many more. Each style has its own unique cinematic mood and visual identity. If we click Browse All, we'll discover that Flick offers more than 900 professionally curated cinematic styles, designed for different genres, moods, and filmmaking aesthetics. You'll find categories including cinematic, cartoon, anime, drawing, illustration, painting, and 3D. There's also a search bar at the top, making it easy to find a specific visual style instantly. And if you'd like to build your own unique visual identity, you can use the Create My Style option. Since we're creating a Hollywood-style cinematic short film, I'll choose the film shot style. After selecting it, I'll click Use Style. At this point, Flick doesn't simply generate a single image. It begins building the entire filmmaking pipeline automatically. First, it creates the main character, generating both a detailed character description and a cinematic reference image. This ensures character consistency throughout the entire film. Next, Flick automatically breaks the story into multiple cinematic scenes. Each scene includes a detailed description along with a visual preview, making the entire story structure easy to understand on the infinite canvas. This is Flick's node-based workflow. Characters, scenes, and visual assets are all connected together on a single infinite canvas, making it incredibly easy to edit, expand, or reorganize your film at any stage. Notice that every scene is created as its own independent node. Whenever needed, you can regenerate a scene, convert it into an image or video, or send it directly to your editing timeline. Now that our character reference is ready, it's time to animate the actual cinematic scenes. I'll select Scene 1 and convert that image into a video. There's no need to animate the character portrait itself because it's only used as a reference for maintaining consistency across the film. Inside the video workflow, Flick offers much more than basic image-to-video generation. When I hover over Omni-Reference, multiple AI video models become available, including Gemini, Seedance, and Kling. This means you can choose the model that best fits the needs of each individual shot without moving your project to another platform. That flexibility is especially valuable for professional filmmakers because different AI models excel at different types of scenes. For this tutorial, we'll follow the standard cinematic workflow, so I'll use the regular Generate Video option. Later, if needed, you can also explore Omni-Reference and Motion Reference for even more advanced control. The image-to-video workspace is now open. Here, Flick allows you to choose from multiple AI video models. For this demonstration, I'll select Seedance 2.0. Next, I'll set the resolution to 720p and the duration to 10 seconds. These settings provide a high-quality cinematic preview while keeping generation relatively fast. You'll notice the start frame is automatically filled using our generated scene image. If you want to guide the animation toward a specific ending shot, you can also upload an end frame. In the prompt box, I'll describe exactly how I want the image to animate, including camera movement, lighting, and cinematic effects, so the AI understands the intended direction. Below that, you can choose your aspect ratio, while number of generations allows you to create multiple variations at once. For this tutorial, I'll generate a single version to keep the workflow simple and easy to follow. Everything is now ready. I'll click Generate, and Flick will use the Seedance 2.0 model to transform our static image into a cinematic AI video. Once the generation finishes, Flick converts the still image into a smooth cinematic video shot. You can preview the result immediately to evaluate the animation. If you'd like to make changes, simply click Regenerate to create a new variation. The video menu also includes additional advanced options that allow you to enhance the animation even further. Once you're satisfied with the result, click Add to Timeline so the shot can be included in your final movie edit. We'll repeat this exact workflow for the remaining scenes. One by one, every generated scene will be transformed into a cinematic video clip until the complete Hollywood-style sequence is ready. Now all of my scenes have been successfully generated. The next step is to add every clip to the timeline. I'll open each generated clip and click Add to Timeline, allowing Flick to automatically organize the entire story inside the editor. Once everything has been added, I'll switch to the Video Editor tab. This is where we edit and finalize the complete film. On the left, you'll find all of your generated shots. The center contains the preview window where you can watch your film in real time. And at the bottom is the editing timeline, where your entire story is arranged in sequence. I can also drag and drop any remaining generated scenes into the timeline to complete the cinematic sequence. If I need to adjust the duration of a shot, I can simply select the clip and change its timing. The Properties panel on the right provides additional controls such as volume, speed, and scale, giving you even more creative control over each scene. Once every shot is in place, I'll play through the entire sequence to make sure everything looks perfect. If everything is ready, the final step is to export, publish, or download the completed film. And that's it. With Flick, a single idea can become a complete cinematic film, from story generation and character creation to AI video generation, editing, and final export, all inside one platform. If you'd like to create your own Hollywood-style AI films, be sure to check out Flick using the link in the description below. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know what you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.